Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use these design-best features of Microsoft Edge. And right now, I'm currently inside Microsoft Edge. As you can see, this is the general landing page, right? Now, for some reason you cannot find this, I suggest you download Microsoft Edge. For example, if you're using Google Chrome, you can simply download Microsoft Edge on any browser and then simply install it. Now we're going to start off with collections. And when I say collections, I mean a collection of websites. What I mean by that is, I want you to simply click on the sign right here. This little icon that has a cross and a circle, or rather a square, sorry about that. So if you click on it, you'll open up this one. It's going to say collections. You're going to have an option to create new collections. And as you can see right here, I have 2 collections already. Now the purpose of this one is that, think of it as a bookmark that you can gather wherever you go. And this works even offline. So this is for organization, so you don't have to click. For example, you don't have to go to the websites that you choose. And if you work with multiple websites every day, you don't have to manually search them, open a new tab or so. With the help of collections, you can just simply click on the 3 dots and click on open all in new tabs. Let me just try one right here. As you can see right there, I have a work sites wherein I have Facebook and YouTube going on. If I remove Facebook and YouTube, I still have the collection icon right here. Now I want to try this one. For example, I click on open all in new tabs like so. And now for discussion purposes, as promised, I'm gonna remove Microsoft Edge like so and open it up one more time. So simply open up Microsoft Edge right there, and I have work sites pinned in here. Now I have an option. If I right click on work sites, I can change the color. I can pin tab to group, new tab to group, or ungroup. I can close group tabs or move group into a new window. If I close with that, I can simply open it up right there. Now, you might be wondering how to add some websites in your collections. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, go to the collections, make sure it's opening up. The name of this one is work sites. You can rename them whichever or whatever you please. Now for some reason, I'm just going to type in google.com here. And with that, I'm going to click on add current page. So just make sure you open up the page you want to add to your collections. And there you have it. You can just click on open in all new tabs. I have YouTube, Facebook, and Google right here. Pretty awesome, right? And that is collections for you. Now let's move on with progressive applications. And now let's take on the next application or software. We're gonna call it progressive application. What I mean by progressive application is that I'm gonna take my LinkedIn as an example, and I want to save this website as a progressive application where you can make a shortcut on your desktop. Basically, that's the main description or explanation to it. To do that, simply open up the desired website you're choosing and click on the 3 dots and look for applications. Install this site as an app. So if you click on that one, you can name it, click on install now. App install right here, you can pin to taskbar, pin to start, create a desktop shortcut, or auto start on device login. So I'm going to click on allow right now. And without further ado, this is the application that we just created. If you click on it, you'll open up the website of your choosing. Pretty awesome, right? And take note, you can do this offline. Let's move on with the next one. For the next one, we're going to call it split screen. This is pretty descriptive or straightforward. I can split my screen even I only have one monitor. To do that, simply click on that button right there that says split screen. And with that, you'll open up another tab or window where you can work with. So for example, this one you can click Google. And on the right left side, you can work on different apps. For example, you want this for YouTube with no problem at all. Pretty awesome, right? Again, it's only one click of a button. It's going to be split screen right there. For the next one, we're going to call it screen capture. So I'm going to retain this one as it is. And screen capture is basically, by the name itself, snapshotting or screenshotting, or rather let's just call it screen capturing your screen. So click on the 3 dots and look for screenshot. Should look like this, and the keyword or the keys are going to be this one. It's already written, it's Ctrl-Shift-S, so click on it. And basically you can screenshot anything you see fit. For example, I want to screenshot Google right there. I can do so. I can add square. I can add a circle. I can download. Add a text right here. Click on mosaic. Draw, for example. Or even include some arrows. Change the color of your arrows. Change the color of your drawing with no problem at all. This is the undo button to undo everything. And you can simply click on save if you're satisfied with it. And that is how you use the screenshot tool in Microsoft Edge. Now, let's move on with the immersive reader. I'm just going to remove the split screen right there and go to Google. Now for this one, I'm going to enable one website to fully utilize this tool. Because immersive reader is basically to help you read, right? And with that, you can just simply click on the icon right there, enter immersive reader, or the keybind F9 or function key 9. If you click on it right there, you're gonna have an option to read out loud text preference. For example, change the text like so. Pretty awesome, right? Text size, text spacing, even the font styles right here. How awesome is that, right? Now I'm just gonna enable my audio capture so you can listen to what I'm listening right now. I'm just gonna enable audio input right here. Click on this one, just gonna make sure I have the right source. And with this, let's have some fun. I'm gonna click on read out loud right now.
2023 and 23 sneakers as told by 23 sneakerheads.
Now I've just posted the audio right there. I hope you listen to it. I can change the voice options, so speed or slow, normal, and fast. Choose a voice with a lot of voice actors. Now I'm gonna remove the audio capture now. And by the way guys, I have a video tutorial regarding OBS, this application right here. So I suggest you check them out. So with that, I think we're done with immersive reader. We're gonna talk about efficiency mode right now. Now what I love about efficiency mode in Microsoft Edge is that once you're idle or not working on Microsoft Edge for 30 minutes, for example, you minimized it, and you're working, for example, let's just say Chrome. Your Microsoft Edge browser being idle for 40 or 30 minutes rather, will lessen its application. It will not run properly in the background. So your other applications, much like Chrome, if you're playing games or you're watching a movie on Netflix, will not run more smoothly. Pretty awesome, right? And also you can access that one by clicking on these three dots, go to settings, and now once you're in settings, I want you to click on system and performance. You're gonna see this one. Under optimized performance, you're gonna have efficiency mode. By default, it's gonna be disabled. You can enable it and you're gonna have these features. Helps minimize power usage by saving computer resources. Benefits may vary depending on your device, application, and individual browser habits. And that is efficiency mode for you. And I'm gonna talk about Task Manager now. I know you're familiar with the default Task Manager, this one right here. What if I told you Microsoft Edge has one that works perfectly with the applications? And now we're gonna access the Task Manager inside Microsoft Edge. You heard me right, because by default, this is the Task Manager, right? For Windows OS, you have this and check which application makes the most noise or capture the most memory, so you can end it. For Windows, you're gonna end the application or whatever's going on by simply clicking on the three dots, looking for more tools right there, and within the lower part, you can browse Task Manager. And with this, you can end tasks and processes that you don't want that's taking too much RAM or memory. And too much RAM, of course, will slow down your browser. Also, I just want to add, if you click on more tools, you have Cast Media to Device right here, Name Window, Launch Taskbar Pinning Wizard, and so much more. This Cast to Media device is pretty powerful, but make sure you're connected with the same network with the device you're trying to cast. For example, if you want to cast on your TV, your laptop, make sure you're connected with the same network. Next up, we're going to talk about annotate PDF files. What I mean by this is, Microsoft Edge doesn't need its own PDF viewer. Because by default, I think I have here Adobe or PDF format right there, or we had the Wondershare PDF before. Now with this one, we're going to use the default Microsoft Edge PDF viewer. Now I'm just going to look for my sample PDF, go to downloads, paste it right here. What I mean with this is there are a lot of tools going on here. For example, you can draw with this one, sign anything, or you can even click or enable some text right there. Pretty awesome, right? And this is totally free inside Microsoft. Now, there is an option for Ask Copilot, but this is for paid subscription for the all features. However, it has different features for free users. I have a video about this, so please check it out. Anyway, one more thing before I let you go is this sidebar. Now, if you can't find sidebar or this tools right here, make sure you go to settings. And with this one, I'm sorry, this is going to be sorry about that. Make sure you click on the settings right there, go here, sidebar, make sure you always show sidebar. And with that, you can access OneNote, any PDF, for example. If you click on that, you can use Facebook, Reddit, and so much more. By Microsoft is right here, productivity right here. Pretty awesome, right? And that basically it. Those are the tools and softwares I want you to take note of when using Microsoft Edge. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.